Okay, this is just a quick one of the house. Front door, this is kind of like the entryway. You know, the bookcase where we keep all the books and so forth. That's Ethan's room, untidy as it is. And then the dining room. I'll step back a bit. It's kind of like a dining room, family room sort of deal. It's not a real big house. This is a wood stove that we cook on in winter. And that's into the kitchen. And a quick one, that's Valley. And there she goes. Yeah, so into the kitchen. And here they are. Yes, sirree. Turned out good.
Looks pretty lovely.
Okay. It's a small kitchen, it's just a little galley kitchen. That's the window to out the backyard.
And broccoli from the garden.
And broccoli from the garden, yep. And back around here. Some of Al's quilts there. Paintings. This is Beck's room. Can't really see it all that well. And that looks out into the yard. There you go, see it a bit better there. Then into the lounge room. And a couple of my paintings there. Case full of Al's quilts. Those French doors go out into the side yard where Ethan's car is, isn't there? Swing around. And we go through here. This is our bedroom. Nothing amazing, guys, it's just, I guess, a room. And out here, excuse me, that's the back door. This is the computer room. And out here is the laundry. So Val does all the sewing out here. Just, you know, normal stuff you see in the laundry. That's looking out the back window at the studio. And the bathroom. That goes through to Becky's room, that door. A bit hard to show you because the bathroom's not a big bathroom. Bath.